But let's talk about snoring. This is the first time I've used something that's actually made a noticeable difference. My flatmate even mentioned how much quieter I've been at night, which is a big win for both of us. The AI adjustments are subtle but effective, and I've been waking up feeling more refreshed and energized. The pillow tracks patterns I didn't even know were happening, like slight pause in my breathing or shifts in my posture. The combination of non-contact monitoring, AI-powered adjustments, and premium comfort makes this a must-have for anyone who struggles with snoring or wants to maximize their rest.